Hello everyone, welcome back to another quick tutorial. In this video we are going to see that if you want to access a particular folder and you're just trying to enter that on another PC and it's asking for the credentials, so how we can turn off the password protected sharing in Windows 11, let's see. So what you need to do is just go to the start menu and right here control panel and just change this view to category view if you have set it to another view, and click on network and internet settings, and again click on network and sharing center. From here you can just go to this change advanced sharing settings, and from here you can see this password protected sharing is enabled. We just disable this and then you can try accessing that folder. So let me just try this, hit enter, and now we are able to access this folder on the sharing. So that's pretty much it. This is how you can turn off the password protected sharing in Windows 11. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so that you can get notified of all the future videos. This is Saad signing off from today's video. Take care.